day for walk-around videos. Here's another piece of vintage fucking motor car. '80s GMC square body. This is a nice fucking truck. Needs a bath like no tomorrow though. Nice bench seat. Thing's just like packed filled with old shit. Man, I really want a truck like this. Double gas tanks. Fucking first thing I do is get rid of this stupid cap, but I guess you need it when you're loading it up. It's not a bad desk. This thing's actually in pretty good shape. And never mind. But yeah, like for a winter-driven truck, you'd think it would beat the hell, but it ain't. Not gonna lie, I do not like the look of this car from the front. From this, like right here, this is when the car starts to look kinda good.